Good morning, students. Let's do the remaining assignments of chapter 4. Question number 11. Was the story made by Swami about his teacher true? If not, then what was the truth? See, Swami made a story of his teacher, that his teacher was a very violent man. He used to beat students. But in reality, it was not so. Rather, he was more friendly teacher than the rest of the teachers in the school. Okay. Question number 12 now. What did Samuel found strange on that day? See, on usual days, Swami used to keep quiet in the class. But on that day, on that incidental day, you can say, he was asking illogical questions. He was giving wrong answer to the questions. This made the teacher more angry and puzzled and confused about his character. Whose character now? Swami's character. 13th question. Why did Swami think the idea of delivering the letter at the end of the day as a short solution? See beta, if he might have delivered the letter in the morning, he would not have got the chance of getting the complaints true. So that's why he wrote the letter. He decided to deliver the letter at the end of the day so that the teacher could do something that would justify the letter, that would make the letter true. That's why he decided not to deliver the letter in the morning. Question number 14. Why did Swami shout from the last bench? He shouted from the last bench to interrupt his teacher so that he could get angry and beat him. Why was Swami happy over his teacher's warning? See, when the teacher warned him to behave and not to give answers again, then Swami got happy because he came to know that the teacher was getting angry now, and he was slightly happy. Why? Because he was very near to his motive. What was the motive? To make his teacher angry and beat him so that the letter could be justified. Swami was feeling happy over his teacher's warning because he wanted to make his teacher irritate, and he was very near to his motive. And after that, he would surely be able to deliver the letter to the headmaster with a proof, you can say. Question number 16. Why did Samuel punish Swami? Because Swami had interrupted his teacher during his lessons. He was giving wrong answers. He was asking illogical questions. He was answering on other students' turn. Samuel punished Swami because Swami had interrupted his teacher during the class and ultimately compelled him to beat him. Question number 17. Why did Swami feel relieved on being beaten from Samuel? Because now he had the proof that the teacher had beaten him, and he used to beat students earlier also. So he was happy at his success. Swami felt relieved. होता बेटा चैन की सांस लेना, because he got the proof that the teacher Samuel beats the students in the class, and he would be able to deliver the letter with a proof. Now question number 18th. Who was the assistant headmaster? The assistant headmaster was Samuel. How did Swami react on hearing his name? When Swami came to know that the headmaster had taken the afternoon off and the assistant headmaster was Samuel, he got very frightened, and as soon as he came to know that the Samuel was the assistant headmaster, he fled from the scene. वो भाग गया वहाँ से, thinking that he could not be given the letter of complaint against himself, क्योंकि वो जिसके against complaint है उनको ही letter deliver उन्हीं के खिलाफ नहीं कर सकता था, इसीलिए वो डर के मारे वहाँ से भाग गया. Why did father call Swami a coward? Coward क्या होता है बेटा? डरपोक. Was Swami really a coward? Swami's father called him a coward because he had not delivered the letter to the headmaster. But in reality, he was not really a coward. अगर वो डरपोक होता तो वो इतनी ब्रेवली अपने टीचर के सामने पंगा लेने की कोशिश नहीं करता, है ना. He would not have taken so many troubles He was not really a coward, he just wanted to escape from the school for a day, which landed him in a problem. So he made an excuse, but it did not favor him. उसने कोशिश तो की कि excuse बनाने की headache का, but it troubled him a lot. वो फंस गया उस trouble में. Bring out the contrast between Swami's description of Samuel and Samuel in reality. See, Swami described Samuel as a very violent teacher who used to beat the students for one or the other reason. But in reality, Samuel was more friendly than any other teacher in the school. He also cracked jokes on Swami, which Swami liked the most. अब उसको टीचर्स के मजाक भी अच्छे लगते हैं इन द डेप्थ ऑफ हिज हर्ट. उसको अंदर दिल ही दिल अच्छे लगते हैं. when he tried to recollect any of the moment of this violent behavior, he could not recollect any. That's why we can say that he liked Samuel a bit. All right. Question number 21 now. This is the last question of the chapter. Do you think children always give excuses for not going to school, or there may be some reason behind their unwillingness? क्या कई बार बच्चों का या तो वो एक्सक्यूजेस देते हैं कि मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना, या उनके ना बहाना मारने के पीछे या ना जाने के पीछे कोई और रीज़न भी हो सकता है. It is true that many children show their unwillingness to go to school and they want to enjoy a day without any restriction of the school. वो बिना किसी रिस्ट्रिक्शन के स्कूल में जाना चाहते हैं, जीना चाहते हैं लाइफ का एक दिन. बट मैनी टाइम्स देयर प्रॉब्लम्स आर जेन्युइन. कई बार उनकी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या होती हैं? जेन्युइन होती हैं. क्या जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है बेटा? बट दे डू नॉट फाइंड द स्कूल एटमॉस्फेयर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कई बार उन्हें स्कूल का एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा नहीं लगता है, विच मेक देम रिलेक्टेंट होता है, उनको रोकता है, जो उनको स्कूल जाने से रोकता है. दस स्टूडेंट्स एक्सक्यूजेज शुड नॉट बी टेकन एज लेम एक्सक्यूजेज. ये इसका मतलब ये है कि हमें उनके खाली बच्चों के जो एक्सक्यूजेज हैं उनको सुनना चाहिए और उनको अवॉइड नहीं करना चाहिए. बट द पेरेंट्स शुड ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द रीज़न बिहाइंड देयर एक्सक्यूजेज. लेकिन पेरेंट्स को भी क्या करना चाहिए? ट्रुथ का पता लगाना चाहिए. एंड दे शुड ट्रस्ट देयर चिल्ड्रन. But if children are like Swami, who are just making excuses, the parents should behave like Swami's father only. They should try to teach a lesson to the child that he should not lie in future and going to school is must. If there's genuine reason, if you are not feeling well or some problem is there, talk to your parents in a very true manner, as it will develop a true bonding between you and your parents. I hope you are clear with the chapter, and this chapter you might have enjoyed the chapter as well. Beta, do write and learn these question answers in your fair notebook in a very good handwriting, as the notebooks will be collected soon for checking. See you then. We are going to do next My Mother poem by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is the next chapter number 5. So be ready with it.